Hi everyone, hope you are enjoying your life. I will try to ask the same line in as many videos as possible. Reason being you are my family and family के लिए इतना तो बनता है. Coming back to the point, I am here with you with the second agreement, which is do not take anything personally. This is one of the most underrated, critical, however valued concept. This should be understood as early as possible to be more happier in life. I would like to share one of the story to make it more clear. So there was a renowned USA President Abraham Lincoln. When he was going for a speech in Senate, so though he was not a senator stood up and reminded him that he is the son of a shoemaker. Without feeling humiliation or uh, embarrassment, he replied with affirmation, "Yes, like my father, I will try to revive the economy of the country. Nothing others do or say is because of you, it is because of themselves. When whatever they say, whether criticism, love, praise, or anger, is a reflection of their own belief, emotions, experiences, not your true worth. When you take things personally, you assume others' opinion define you. It leads to unnecessary hurts, anger, insecurity, and sufferings. By not taking things personally, you become emotionally free. Others' opinion and actions no longer have power over you. When you are grounded in self awareness and self acceptance, then external opinions lose their control over your happiness. By practicing this agreement, it builds your inner peace, confidence, and resilience. This help you to live a happier life without fear of judgment and rejection. I also researched few do's and don'ts. What are the do's? So do remind yourself. People speak from their own mindset, beliefs, wounds. Do listen calmly without immediate reaction, emotional reaction. Do accept feedback only if it helps you to grow. Do practice emotional detachment rather than emotional suppression. Do maintain self worth by practicing uh, opinions without affecting external opinions. What are the don'ts? So do not overthink about people's behavior. Do not try to please everyone. Do not get do not let criticism define your identity. Do not get addicted of praise or criticism. अब थोड़ा हिंदी में आते हैं, थोड़ा खुल के बात करते हैं. जब मैं इसकी रिसर्च कर रहा था, थोड़ी बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं, तो मैं सोच रहा था कि इसके एंड में जैसे फर्स्ट में एपिसोड में डाला था तो एक शेयर डाला जाए, तो वो मुझे मिल नहीं रहा था. मतलब मिल रहे थे लेकिन वो पॉजिटिविटी उन शेयर्स को पढ़ के नहीं आ रही थी. तो मुझे एक याद है जो मैं बहुत टाइम पहले से फॉलो कर रहा था, जो कि एक शायर हुए हैं जिगर मुरादाबादी साहब. उनका एक शेर है, बहुत ही आफाकी शेर है. वो ये है कि उनका जो फ़र्ज़ है वो अहले सियासत जाने. उनका जो फ़र्ज़ है वो अहले सियासत जाने. अपना पैगाम मोहब्बत है जहाँ तक पहुँचे. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर द टाइम.